Merhabalar, hoş geldiniz. Hello everyone, this is Moji. Welcome to my channel. In this new series of videos, I'll be your study buddy to learn Turkish. And our first lesson is Turkish alphabet, Alfabe. Let's get started. There are 29 letters in Turkish. I will read them all first, then we'll go over them one at a time. A, A, B, C, Ç, Ç, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, yumuşak G, yumuşak G, is soft G, yumuşak G, H, H, I, I, it's not E, it's I, comes from here, I, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, Ö, O, Ö, O, Ö, P, P, R, R, S, S, Ş, Ş, T, T, U, U, O, U, Ü, Ö, Ü, V, V, Y, Y, Z, Z. As you can see, these blue letters, they're all vowels, and the rest are consonants. 9 vowels, and the rest are consonants. Something interesting and simple about Turkish is whatever we write, we read. It's not like some other languages. That's the thing that makes it simple. I mean, whatever we write, we just read it. We read all the letters. We read all the alphabet. A always sounds as A. Sandalye, like A. The same thing in all of them. But here is the thing about E. Let's see what it is. E sometimes sounds as A, sometimes as E. For example, ders, ders, lesson, class. Geç, E. See, ders, A. Geç, E. Geç means late. Erkek means boy. Erkek. There are two E here, but E here. The first E sounds as A. The second one sounds as E. Ben, I. Ben. Again, it sounds as A. As A, sorry, ben. Genç, genç means young. Here is an unwritten rule. Whenever we have e before re, me, ne, and le, e sounds as a, like ders, erkek, ben. And let's go over yumuşak ge. Yumuşak ge. Yumuşak means soft, soft G. It doesn't have specific sound in Turkish, but it's like kind of sound like or y. Eğlence, eğlence. See, we do not pronounce it. Not eğlence, eğlence. Right? İğne, iğne. öğretmen, öğretmen, öğretmen, öğrenci, öğrenci, öyle, ağaç, ağaç. We don't say ağaç, ağaç, like ağaç. Eğlence, like entertainment. İğne, needle. Öğretmen, teacher. Öğrenci, student. Öğle, noon. Ağaç, ağaç, tree. And let's go over It's not e, it's Kind of like şua in English. Kalın. We don't say kalin. Kalın, Kalın means thick. Izgara. Izgara is wrong. Izgara. Izgara. Barbecued. Barbecued. Ilık. Ilık. Warm. Warm. Not hot. Warm. Ilık. Balık. Balik is wrong. Balık. Balık. Fish. And there is one more point about G and K. Sometimes we pronounce them as hard G, like G, sometimes as soft, like yumuşak, G. The same about K. Sometimes it is hard, like K. Sometimes it is soft, like K. And it all depends on the vowel before that. If we have one of these vowels, like E, I, and U, these two are pronounced as their soft forms, in their soft forms. But if we have A, O, and U, they are pronounced, these two are pronounced in their um, um, hard sounds. Balık, balık. We don't say balik. Balık, k. Balık. Izgara, ızgara. Kalın, k. Balık here, erkek, k. We don't say erkek. Erkek because of e. Erkek. In here, they will say yumuşak, not yumuşak. Yumuşak. Right? Let us move on. So as you know, there are 29 harf like letter. There are 29 letters. Some of them are sessiz veya unsuz, means they are consonants. Sert ve yumuşak. Sert like hard, yumuşak soft. F, S, T, K, Ç, Ş, H, P. These are like hard consonants. Hard, we can call them like sert. And you need to keep them in mind because they are very important. They are like exceptions always and all the time. So keep these in mind. F, S, T, K, Ç, Ş, H, P. The rest are yumuşak. We have ünlüler veya sesli harfler. Ünlüler veya sesli harfler are vowels. Kalın A, I, O, U. İnce, like soft. Kalın is hard, ince is soft. E, I, Ö, Ü. Turkish alphabet, Turkish grammar uses these ones a lot for exceptions and also kalın ve ince sesli harfler. I mean, you need just memorize them. Write them somewhere. Write them on your notebook somewhere that you can see them all the time. Now, let's go over some examples. A, arkadaş, arkadaş, arkadaş, friend. Arkadaş. A always is pronounced as A. B, baba, baba, father. C, ceviz, ceviz, ceviz, walnut. Ç, çocuk, çocuk, çocuk, çocuk, çocuk is wrong. Çocuk, child. D, ders, lesson or class. E, ev, ev, house or home. Fe, fare, fare. All letters are pronounced in Turkish. Keep it in mind. Fare, fare, mouse. Ge, gül, gül. See, because we have ünlü harf, ince, ince harfler. Whenever there is an ince harf, an ince letter, a soft letter, a soft vowel actually, K and G are pronounced in their soft forms, forms, yeah. But when we have kalın vowels, like hard vowels, A, E, O, and A, I, O, and U, K and G that come after or before them are pronounced in their kalın form. Here, gül, gül, rose. It has other meanings too. Yumuşak G, ağaç, yumuşak G, ağaç, ağaç, tree, ağaç, tree. He, havuç, havuç, havuç, carrot. Izgara, grilled or barbecued. Izgara. İş, iş. I need to put a thing in here. Correct like this. İş, work. Jilet, razor, jilet, razor. Kalem, kalem no, kalem, hard, kalem, pencil. Lale, tulip, the flower. Masa, table. Numara, number. Otobüs, bus. Öğretmen, teacher. Para, money. Resim, picture. Such, hair. Such, şişe, bottle or glass. Tahta, board. It also has the meaning of wood. Uçurtma, kite. Ütü, iron, as the noun. Vazo, vase. Yemek, food. Zeytin, olive. Keep them in mind. Please try to say them aloud. It helps your pronunciation more. And that is all for today's session and the video. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave me comments. Kendinize iyi bakın. Take good care of yourselves ve görüşürüz. See ya.